So welcome friends, learn how to promote affiliate products on Quora. So you can see these are states, my states. I'll filter it to 7 days. Last 7 days you can see on April 7 I got 228, 126, then 12. So I'll show you how to you can see this how do I make money using a laptop. 64 views, this is one views, and can I generate videos, this 106 views. So all these are platform, all these are uh, having affiliate links. I have answered these questions, and these questions are having answers are having affiliate links. So if someone from 106, if someone clicks on my affiliate link and buys a plane or buys a product, I'll get commission for that. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share you the exact strategy to earn some side income from promoting affiliate products on Quora. So you have two options. You can promote physical products or digital products. Digital products means softwares, web hostings, VPNs, and other digital services. Physical products means you have to promote physical products like laptops, like shoes, clothes, like any other tangible product which are listed on Amazon or any other uh, digital platform. Okay, so for that we need questions to answer. We don't have to answer these questions already asked by people on this platform called Quora.com. So I don't want to answer these questions. Okay, where I hire the best and affordable video editing. Okay, you can earn money with this question as well, because you have to answer some answer with promoting your gig. If you are a video editor, or promote someone's gig from Kwork, and you will earn commission. But we are not going to do so, because we have to rank our article on our questions and answers on Google as well. So for that we need to do keyword research and find question relevant to the queries of people on Google. And if we write questions and answers about those queries in on Quora.com, there are highly chances to get ranked on Google. So for that you have to create account on this platform called semrush.com. I'll leave the link of semrush in description of this video. You just have to create an account and then get 7 days free trial for yourself. After that, select a product to promote. For example, if you have interest in any particular niche, then you can type that. For example, if I have great I have knowledge in software, so I'll go with VPNs. For example, I will go with VPN. I'm just sharing you showing you something. Okay, if you are absolute beginner, I recommend you to go with Amazon products. So for Amazon, I'll go with doorbell. For example, doorbell is some easy to rank keywords. Even if you are willing to start your blog, I suggest you to start with physical products like doorbell, like any other outdoor products, campaign products. Okay, so this doorbell has, we don't have to bother with all these keywords. We have to find questions. So for 4,66,000 total search volume of 30,000 questions. Okay, so you have to tap at this view all 30,000 keywords, and from these 30,000 keywords we have to filter out easy to rank keywords and write articles using AI, write answers of these questions using AI, and then we will post on Quora along with our affiliate link. Okay, so I will open amazon.com as well, because we have to find a product. Now just tap at this keyword difficulty tab. Keyword difficulty means how difficult this keyword to get ranked on Google. So I will choose 0 to 20. 0 to 20 means easy to rank keywords. Even you can target 0 to 30 as well, because Quora's authority in eyes of Google is very high. So I will go with 30, because we have to increase this total volume. This is almost 10,000, because this is just approximate volume. Okay, in real this is more than 10,000, but I need more. So will go with 29, 0 to 29. So now I'll find some 40,000, almost 40,000 total search volume. So if I get 10,000 search volume per month, I can get some handsome amount of money. You can see how to remove a ring doorbell. How to remove a ring doorbell. Then I will go to ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, and then I will write questions using this ChatGPT generative AI tool and answer and ask this question by myself on Quora, and then answer it using that answer of ChatGPT, and that way I'll be getting some income. So after that I will target ring door. I will type ring doorbell here on Amazon to promote a product, high rated product. Okay, you have to select best products possible. You can see this is a wired doorbell pro, so this is expensive, so I will get some extra money if someone buys this. And the cookie duration of Amazon is just 24 hours. For example, if someone clicks to your link and he landed on Amazon, and he immediately he doesn't purchase any product, but in next 24 days if he purchases any product, you will get credit. It means you will get some sort of commission. So this is Amazon's choice. It means this is best selling product, so I can easily uh, grab the link here, Amazon site strip, Amazon associate site strip, and I'll get this link right here. Okay, I have to just promote this link along with my question, so I'll copy this link, and then how to remove a ring doorbell. I'll type how to remove a ring doorbell. How to remove a ring doorbell, and I'll also ask this question right here: how to remove a ring doorbell, and then just type at 8 question. And if someone already asked me how do I remove a ring doorbell, I ask original question. Let me ask original question and view answers. Type at view answers, and then I'll answer this. Okay, you can see how do I remove a ring doorbell. No one has answered this question yet, and this has 2000 search volume per month on Google. So if I write optimized SEO optimized answer for this question, I can easily rank on Google. And from 2000, if 20 people buy from me, then I can earn some side hustle from this single question. So this is the power of promoting affiliate products using Quora. So first of all, I'll copy my answer here to remove ring doorbell. Follow these general steps. So I will copy this and then paste it right here. Okay, paste it right here. Then I will promote my link somewhere here. For example, check best ring doorbell here. Okay, check best ring doorbell here, and then I'll paste my affiliate link right here. I'll make this text anchor. I'll add and then just tap it post button. So after typing it post button, you are good to go, and just track your analytics from Amazon associates, and you will earn some hundreds of dollars per month, because this is not going to uh, get you a quick, this is not a quick rich scheme, so you have to just take this as a side hustle. So after earning some money from this method, you can start your own blog website and earn thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars per month using blogging business. And I'll put the link of best web hosting in the description of this video, so please check out that links if you want to start a blog with me. So thanks for watching this.